Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. To model this component, I am going to start with the base plate. This plate, it has a length of 30, total length of 90 and width of 30, then with a thickness of 6 mm. Then I will model this plate with the same thickness with a length of 62 and width of 50. After modeling these two plates, I will model this portion. I will draw this sketch and I will extrude with a thickness of 12. Then I will do these three material removal process. Now we will learn how to model this component using Creo Parametric. After modeling in a Creo Parametric, the component will look like this. So the component will look like this. Now we will learn how to model this component step by step. Go to File, Close, go to New, Part Solid, provide a name, untick this Use Default Template, save OK. Default, it will be in inch template. Now we have to choose mm. For mm, Part Solid Absolute, save OK. Switching on all the planes. Now for easy explanation, I will keep drawing left side and Creo Parametric software on the right side. Now we can draw this component easily. Now we'll taking the front plane, sketch view. Make the center line. Now take the rectangle. This one is symmetric about this axis. Now this height is 30 and this length is, here they have specified as 62, half of the value 31 and the total length is 90. Go to fit script. Now here this circle also we can create in a single step. Take a circle. The radius they have specified is 11. Delete the unwanted edges using a delete segment. Now everything is okay. Just save OK. Extrude. Ctrl D. Make it symmetric. The thickness is 6 mm. Save OK. Now we have created this. Then we'll create the another plate. Select the surface, sketch view. The plate is 50 mm width. Take a rectangle. Now take the reference, this one and this one. Close it. Take a rectangle, bigger rectangle. This one is 50 and the length is 62 and make it symmetric. Now just save OK. Extrude. Thickness is 6 mm. Save OK. Now we have created these two plates. Now we will create this one. For that, take the front plane, sketch view. Take a reference, this line and this line and this line. Then close it. Now put the circle here. The outer circle radius they have given, which is 20. Then the height they have specified from the top surface to center point is 34. Take the dimension from here to top surface, it is 34. Now take a line, connect it as a tangent. Connect it here and here, connect it as a tangent. Here there is no tangent connection. Put a tangent connection here. Now specify the dimension. double click here, this height is 7 and remaining are all same. Now just say OK, extrude. Now go to sketch, edit sketch, sketch view, delete the unwanted edges, just say OK, extrude, make it symmetric, the thickness is 12, say OK. Now we have created this plate. Now we'll start doing the material removal of this. To select the surface, sketch, sketch view, take a reference, close, take a circle, the circle diameter is 20, take a reference here also, then close it, put the rectangle here, make it symmetric first, now here they have specified 21 from the center of the circle to this edge, dimension from here to this edge it is 21 and the width is 35. Just say OK, extrude, change the direction, make it to 2 next, say OK. Then we have to make a round. Here the round radius is 12. Go to round, select this edge, press and hold the control key, select this edge and this edge. The round radius is 12, say OK. Next we need to make smaller rounds here as well as here. Take a round again, choose this one, the radius is 12, 2, put here, press the control key and hold it, select this edge and this edge. Similarly here, this edge and this edge. Similarly here, this edge and this edge. Say OK. Now all the features are done. This is our final object. Now we can apply some appearance. Go to view, appearance, green, apply to the part. OK. Now go to the white. Press the control key and select the multiple surfaces. Save OK. Like this we can change the appearance of the component. In this tutorial we have learned how to model this component. If you like this video, please share to your friends, and next tutorial we'll see a new component. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.